So with party season just around the corner, I'm going to share with you some of my favorite products to get ready for party season. So first up is this bio oil. Now, of course, you've all heard of bio oil before. It's been around forever, but you really can't go past it if you want to start getting your body warm weather ready. So it's great for any stretch marks or uneven skin. Anyway, carrying on. So bio oil is really great for evening up your skin tone and getting rid of any stretch marks. You apply it twice a day, so morning and night, and it's just really good for getting your body beach ready. So for summer, I love a really good lip treatment that has a bit of color so that you can wear it all day and night and your lips will feel nice and hydrated. And I am loving the new Lanolips Hydrating Lip Luminiser in the shade Beach Pop. I'm wearing it now and honestly, it's super moisturizing and leaves a nice glossy finish that is perfect to go with your summer tan. If you guys love your beauty blenders as much as I do, you'll know that they can be really difficult to travel with. So that's why I'm obsessed with this BeautyBlender Blender Defender. So it has these little holes in it, which is going to allow for ventilation, and it will protect your beauty blender from grime and germs, and it fits my little mini blender and also another little face sponge. Sorry, they're really dirty because I use them all the time, but I'm loving this and it's really great to just throw in your bag and keep your beauty blender clean and dry. So in party season, I personally think that a Jade roller is absolutely crucial. This is the Daily Concepts Daily Jade Face Roller. So it's really good for increasing blood circulation, reducing swelling, and it also helps your skincare products to penetrate deeper into the skin, which is really important when you've been staying up a bit too late and your skin really needs it. So I like to use my morning and night, just rolling in an up and then downward motion like this. And I'm obsessed with it. It's part of my daily routine. So last but definitely not least is one of my favorite products for all year round, but also party season, and that is my lash extensions. So I obviously already have them on my face. I get them done by Amy Jean, and I really love them just because they save so much time. You don't have to apply mascara, you can skip eyeliner, and you feel party ready at any moment. So party season, my lash extensions are a must have.